favorite coffee shop here in Sydney. Very excited. So last year we were here and we did the same walk, but all of this is new construction. It's going to be called Barangaroo. We're not sure what that building is yet, but it's looking pretty cool. But we walked here while it was under construction last year, and we're really excited to kind of go this way. Okay, Kevin's team right there. It's official.
We're at the Botanical Gardens now, and we decided to visit the Rose Garden and found this really cool garden full of bees. Anyway, we've walked around looking for a couple breweries and found that they were closed. So we found one that was open, and it's in Darling Harbor, so we walked here, and it's pretty neat.
I think we've done a 360 in weather from yesterday. This is gorgeous. It's sunny. We have put on sunscreen. So we're in Darling Harbor on a marina, and we found our ride back.
Melinda!
But this is a super cute area. Think life goals as far as being able to boat.
Yep.
Any one of these are pretty cool.
It'd be fantastic to sail across the Pacific and come here just as a thing to do. We have a ways to go. Maybe we'll do it someday.
What's your favorite?
I think I like the big steel custom long-range trawler.
Now let's go take a look. Okay, Kevin, why is it your favorite?
Just looks cool.
Pretty neat
I like
little...
the lines of it. The shape of the hull is pretty neat.
So
It
good.
was amazing.
So good.
Pretty much changed our lives.
Yep.
So Kuro in Sydney on Kent Street. Kumi was our bartender. Phenomenal.